If you like our video, click the like button. Click the subscribe button to receive updates on our new video. Don't forget to share our video too.
Hi friends, today we'll be talking about something important, and we'll talk about the branch of mathematics that deals with what? It deals with the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle, and that is trigonometry. Yes, trigonometry. So let's begin with the basics of trigonometry. Very few basic concepts of trigonometry. Now, to begin with, let us define the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now, trigonometric ratios, yes, we also call them as the T ratios. Now, to define the T ratios, we require a right angle triangle. So you have a right angle triangle, 90 degrees there. Let's consider an acute angle there, theta. Let's name the triangle, say triangle A, then vertex B at 90 and C. Now AB forms the opposite side of theta. BC forms the adjacent side of theta. And AC, obviously it has to be the hypotenuse opposite to 90. Right? Okay. Now, to remember the 6 trigonometric ratios, we could define a simple code. And that is OH, AH, OA. Now you could remember it as Old Harry and his old aunt. Remember, Old Harry and his old aunt. The first ratio is sine, that is opposite upon hypotenuse. The second is cos, adjacent upon hypotenuse. The third is tan, opposite upon adjacent. Now we write the reciprocals. Yes, hypotenuse upon opposite is cosec. Next is hypotenuse upon adjacent is sec. And last, adjacent upon opposite is cot. So we have the 6 trigonometric ratios. So with respect to the triangle, what do we get? Sine theta equals, which is the opposite side, AB, which is the hypotenuse, AC. So sine theta is AB upon AC. Next comes cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent, that is BC, upon hypotenuse, that is AC. Next comes tan theta. Tan theta is opposite. Opposite is what? AB. Adjacent is BC. Yes, there you have the 3 ratios. Now, there are reciprocals. What is reciprocal of sine? It is cosec. Yes, cosec. So it would be AC, hypotenuse, upon AB, that is opposite. Next comes the sec ratio. Sec will be AC upon BC. Lastly, the cot ratio, reciprocal of tan. So it would be BC upon AB. Yes. So that is the cot ratio for you. Let's proceed now to the next set of formulae. Now, with what we have learned so far, so let's put down a few identities, a formula you could say. The first one could be cosec theta. Cosec is what? Reciprocal of sine. So yes, cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta, right? Second could be sec theta. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So you have sec theta is 1 over cos theta. Next is cot theta. Now, cot is reciprocal of tan. So cot is 1 over tan. Perfect. Now you have a few more relationships. Now, which are they? I hope these three are clear. Now, the next comes tan theta. Yes, tan theta can also be defined as sin theta upon cos theta. Yes, so tan is sin upon cos. And cot theta would be its reciprocal, that is cos theta upon sin theta. Yes, so tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin. A few more to go. Don't worry, revise them. It's easy. Keep revising. Next is cos square theta plus sin square theta equals 1. Next comes 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Please remember these, they are very important. And lastly, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Write and learn, write and practice. You'll never forget. Yes, so these are a few basic identities and formulae for you. We have one more set to go, so wait. So we reach the last section of part 1. Yes, let us now define the negative angle formulae. Only 6 of them. Oh my god, 6 of them. Yes, but they are very simple. So don't worry. So we have the 6 negative angle formulae for the 6 ratios. So how do we define these formulae now? Okay, let's begin. So let's put them down first. First one, sine of minus theta. And after sine we have cos of minus theta. Wait for the results. Be patient. Next, tan of minus theta. Yes. Then the 3 reciprocals. Then that is cosec of minus theta. Yes. Next is sec of minus theta. And last, cot of minus theta. So, let's begin. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Cosec minus theta is minus cosec theta. Sec minus theta is sec theta. And cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Just observe, cos and sec ratios positive, right? So cos minus theta is cos theta, sec minus theta is sec theta. So 2 positives, cos and sec, rest all negative. So they're not all that difficult. Just remember, cos minus theta, cos theta, sec minus theta is sec theta. Rest all are negative. Easy, aren't they? Yes, wait for the second part. Like it, share it, and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos in future. Thank you.